Brownies are the best. If you want a dessert that is healthy and delicious at the same time, brownies is the way to go. So then we'll show you how to make brownies in under 30 minutes with only 5 ingredients. Let's go. All you're going to need is 2 bars of chocolate, 2 eggs, a little bit of butter, something like this, of course flour, and a little bit of baking soda. First, let's start by taking a pan and filling it up with cold water. Let's put a bowl here.
Now let's unwrap and crush all of the chocolate into the bowl. Now it's time for eggs. Crush them into a separate bowl and whisk them for about 3 minutes. Thanks to the boiling water, the chocolate will melt itself. You can also use a microwave, but this way is better for me because the chocolate then has a different consistency. Now add chocolate to the eggs after letting them rest for 5 minutes. Now microwave 175 grams of butter that you will then add to the mix. Now whisk everything together so it's really chocolatey and brown. Now add wheat of choice. I am using the almond wheat because it's healthy. After adding enough wheat so the consistency is like a fudge, place it onto the oven tray that you will then put into the oven. Make sure to preheat your oven to 360 degrees. And finally, into the oven. And now let it bake for 20 minutes. This time I added a little bit too much butter, that's why you see these bubbles on top, but overall the brownie is still delicious and ready.
So the brownies are great. You can cook them for less than 20 minutes if you want to have a more runny chocolate. But I would rate them 8 out of 10, so really good. The full recipe is down below in the comments and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more cooking recipes.